How about this, Will? Delta is going to give its flight attendants 5G equipped iPhone 12s.
Wow.
Looks like you need to go into a new line of work, Will.
Each and every one.
Go in there and get yourself an iPhone 12.
I have to become a flight attendant?
That's right. That's the only way it's going to happen for you. Not around here. Not around these parts.
All right. I guess I'll start studying.
Man, that'd be a tough job. I don't know. I'm just thinking about it.
Yeah.
People are tense. People are tense on the airplanes, and you got to like kind of stay calm. And
yeah.
It's tight, and the bags and the circulation of the thing, and I don't know. Shout out to the flight attendant.
For sure.
Anyway, Delta wants to upgrade the flight attendants, and they signed some sort of deal where they got to say nice things about Apple and AT&T as well. I don't know how this relationship works, but they're going to upgrade to iPhone 12s for all those individuals. It's a new collaboration, Apple, AT&T, intended to make the jobs of flight attendants easier and pave the way for a more meaningful customer interaction. You know what they say they're going to use? They say we're going to use augmented reality to empower flight attendants. Go ahead, Will.
Huh? Why? How?
There you go. You see, that's what Willie Doo's there for, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
Bring it to the forefront. Because, listen to this. How about during the food process, while currently paper-based, flight attendants will have up-to-the-minute digital catering inventory and will be able to quickly locate items without opening a single door by using the iPhone camera and augmented reality to visualize where items are stowed.
Oh.
So you hold up the phone and like, oh yeah, the pretzels are over there.
There they are.
Come on, you like that, Will? No?
I would like to see a screenshot.
Yeah, you don't picture this.
UI.
You don't picture it working, do you?
I mean, it's an interesting idea.
Skeptical Will is back.
I know there's a lot of snacks.
Well, you remember when we
need to organize and figure out where they are.
You remember?
I would imagine so.
When we have Vin on the show, and he said when he's on a flight, everything's getting eaten. He does not turn down a single snack option when he's on the flight.
Even the wrapping paper.
And I saw some comments in there that were saying the same thing. They're like, look, when I'm on a flight, I'm eating everything.
Mm-hmm. You would try it out too, right?
I don't know what it is. It's like it's not even really about eating. It's more that you're trapped in here and you're so bored. The eating helps break it up. Like, oh, look at that. I used to fly with Air Canada a lot.
Yeah.
God, I feel like 1,000 years ago flying around places.
Mm-hmm.
I just bought a van.
You just bought a van?
Yeah, I just bought a van.
Oh, okay. We were talking about that.
Well, because Canada, you know how beautiful this country over here?
I wouldn't know. I don't have a van to travel. I've only seen a few pictures.
This country over here, you know how beautiful that thing is?
That thing over there?
It's over there.
Yeah.
God, man. When I was a kid, I went on some road trips, man. You know?
Yeah.
And maybe, you know how it goes with these type of things where you have a situation take place, which is catastrophic. The situation we just been through for the last couple of years. And I look at my kids and they got the sports canceled and everything like this. Sometimes you can look at these things and flip them upside down and say, well, where this went that way, it could mean maybe opportunity this other way. Like, I think it made me kind of reevaluate certain things.
Right.
It kind of made me look at it a little different, like so caught up in one direction. Like, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's other factors too, but I got this renewed or new appreciation for nature, especially just the local nature. I don't have to.
Yeah.
You know, I don't have to go halfway across. I mean, just what's right in front of you. Just stand in front of it, and you know.
Yes. I hear you.
So anyway,
nature's beautiful.
So anyway. I'm not on these flights with Air Canada, so I'm not eating everything. But I remember I got a van instead. That's why I'm going to do some local stuff. But I used to get this hot cookie they would give you.
Oh.
On an Air Canada flight, they would come with the hot cookie later on during the flight. I think other
what kind of cookie?
Well, it would be a chocolate. It would be
my interest.
It would be a chocolate chip, something along those lines.
Okay.
I think they might give it to you with ice cream as well sometimes, and it would
privacy policy cookie.
Exactly. It will be later in the flight.
Okay.
After a meal or something. And there it is. Yeah, on the left. That's exactly right. You get a small little ice cream, and you would get a warmed up chocolate cookie over there.
Oh, that's nice.
And this would be...
It's a good one.
When you're trapped in the thing and you're up there...
It's comforting.
And somebody comes with that...
Yeah.
Imagine turning that down.
No, you can't.
What you trying to do?
You have to scarf it up.
What you trying to do?
Yeah.
I mean, maybe you're allergic or something, but like, what? That's why it's tough. It actually is kind of tough. The nutrition when you travel is kind of tough because you're in a different state of mind.
Yeah.
Anyway. They're getting iPhones. Delta flight attendants are getting iPhones. They're going to be happier, better, augmented reality, everything. And they're going to know where the cookies are.
There you go.